Good evening. This is what the power of love and the power of having a passion can do for you. Heal you because of your independence on what you want to accomplish. We're no different. We are all the same. We're all human. We all have capabilities of having to go through all these experiences. But the true success is how to handle it with the right attitude that's necessary to overcome all experiences. And you will soon see me on stage conducting and inspiring all of you and speaking with other individuals, not just me, that has overcome the odds and are far better and thankful for going through it as I am. Thank you. This is now officially 24 hours since I've had my brain surgery with having 3 Gulf-sized cancerous brain tumors. Right now, it's going to take me about a year of therapy, chemotherapy that is, and go towards the healing process. In the process of my healing, I'm going to be putting together a lot of writing, inspirational speeches, to have all of you be aware that as long as you've got drive and ambition and purpose and a pure sense of hope, you can overcome all the odds that are against you. And definitely I look forward towards a very, very bright future of meeting all of you and having all of you joining me in my seminars, starting of course next year once I'm fully healed. Thank you very, very much. And give you all tremendous hope and aspirations for our human abilities of overcoming the odds. We're going to volunteer my time to other patients that are into this medicine and what they can do maybe also. Like I said, it's excellent and fantastic. Never to give up the will. Going forward in life.
How do you think he's doing?
He's better. I haven't seen him this strong. He's definitely back to the old Paul.
Love is the most powerful element of healing. You have love with a significant other and family as power. But with love, like I said, there are 3 entities. There are 3 entities you need to always have in order in your life. Be priority over your health. Be priority over life. Finding love. Ruling life. And the 4th, finances and business. It doesn't last because what's the point in having it all if you don't have good health to enjoy it, if you don't have love to share it?
That's beautiful.
So money is the last thing to focus on. As long as you have great health, wonderful love that gives you determination, and business will be automatically full. That's why you guys are successful. You have a passion for it. You have a skill for it. So you can have someone who Good evening, everyone. Well, as you can see visually, I have overcome all the odds. Everything has been removed, and I plan to be very, very successful, touching all of your lives and speaking with you with what I have overcome, and to be thankful for all the sufferings and miseries that we all have to go through in life.
Are you ready to check out today?
And I'm checking out today.
We're gonna go visit Liza upstairs.
And I'll be visiting, of course, my family, especially my sister, since I'm the new uncle. And I thank everyone for your
Her
support.
second child.
I thank everyone for your support.
And I would like to show everybody your scar. They don't believe that you had surgery. The big question is not a question anymore. Paul's a survivor. In every sense
I'm
of
an
the word.
overcomer and being thankful with this experience because I have become more refined, more intelligent, more ambitious than I've ever been before in my life. So watch me on stage.
Watch out, everybody.
I'm coming over to you.
Pablo's coming to town.
See ya.
Peace out.
Good afternoon. As you can see, I have fully recovered.
And I'm ready to be conducting seminars that will really, really open up people's minds to the appreciation of what God blessed them with, and to protect what they currently have. And if they don't have it, I will guide them and direct them into maintaining their hope, which is the most important asset in healing, having hope. Even though all the odds are totally factually against you. But I'll be there supporting all of you. And I hope to see you all at my seminar.
Let's show everyone your scar, the little question mark, which is not a question anymore because we all know Paul is a survivor.
And I have the answers to all the question marks.
Are you ready to check out?
Ready to check out.
All right. We're going to fly out of here in a few
See
minutes.
you guys on stage.
Peace out.
Peace out.